B, still at B, answer B. We now find the difference in base 10, which is 234 minus 124, which will give us 110 in base 10. Therefore, we have to leave the answer to base 5. We now convert 110 to base 5, which will now be 110 divided by 5 is 22, remainder 4. You put down the remainder 4 and divide 22 by 5. 22 divided by 5 is 4, remainder 2. Therefore, 4 will not be divided by 5. Therefore, the answer will become 110 to base 10 to convert to base 5 is also 420 base 5. Question 12. A. Evaluate 15 plus 23 plus 44 minus 55 plus 10, where all the numbers are in base C system. Giving your answer in the same system. B. Solve for S the following base 2 equation, leaving your answer in base 2. 10s minus 11 in bracket 1 plus s all over 10 equals to 101. We have to evaluate 15 plus 23 plus 44 minus 55 plus 10 in base C system. So if you add 15 plus 23, we have 42. How? Because 5 plus 8 in base C system, it will give us 8. 5 plus 3 is 8. Since it is in base 6, we now subtract 8 from 6, which will be giving us 2. Now we bring down 2 and carry 1. 1 plus 2 is 4 plus 1, which we got, which is 4. We now add 42 plus 44 to base 6, which will give us 130. Therefore, how? Because if we add 2 plus 4, it will give us 6. Since we are operating at base 6, we write 0 and carry 1. Now say 4 plus 4 is 8 plus 1 we got, which is 9. 9 minus 6 is 3. We write 3 and also bring down 1. Then we add 130 and the 10, which will give us 1/4. How? 0 plus 0 is 0. 3 plus 1 is 4. We now bring down 1. Then we start subtracting. We are following the rule of Bodman's. We first of all do our addition, then we now start doing our subtraction. Then we now have 140 minus 55 will give us 125 base 6. How? 0 minus 5 is not possible. We borrow 1 from 4 and add to 0, which is 10 plus 5, which gives us 5. 10 minus 5 will give us 5. We now be left with 13. And 5 is less than base 6. So we will not subtract anything. Then 13 minus 5 will give us 8. Since the system is in base 6, 8 minus 6 is 2. We now bring down 2 and carry 1 and also bring down the 1. So what we have is 125 base 6. Answer B. We are asked to evaluate 10s minus 11 bracket 1 plus x over 10 equals to 101, which are all in base 2. And we should solve for x. Therefore, we now first of all multiply throughout by 10. We have 100x minus 11 bracket 1 plus s equals to 1010. Then if you open brackets, we now have 100s minus 11s is equals to 1010. If you collect like terms together and take the figures, known figures to the right hand side, we have 10s minus 11x, which is equals to 110 plus 11. Then if you solve for s, we now have 1101 to base 2. Question 13. Express the following numbers in base 10. A. 0.11 base 2. B. 0.12 base 6. C. 0.24 base 8. Answer A. 0.11 to base 2 is equals to 1 times 2 raised to power minus 2, since it is now in decimal place, plus 1 times 2 raised to power minus 2, which is equals to 1 times 2 raised to power minus 1 is half 1 over 2, plus 1, anything raised to power minus is already 1. Raised to power will now become squaring, we will now be raising to power the denominator, which is 2 squared, which will now become 4. Therefore, the LCM of 4 and the 2 is 4. If we find the LCM and do our mathematics, we now have 3 over 4. Answer B. 0.12 to base 6 is equals to 1 times 6 raised to power minus 1 plus 2 times 6 raised to power minus 2, which will give us anything raised to power minus is 1 over that 6 raised to power of that 1 plus 2 times 1 over 6 raised to power 2, which is 36. Then we now have 2 can cancel 36 to give us 18. Then we have 1 over 6 plus 1 over 18. If you find the LCM of 6 and 18, which is 18, 18 divided by 6 is 18 divided by 6 is 3, plus 18 divided by 18 is 1. 3 plus 1 is 4. Therefore, we have 4 over 18. Then, which you now have 2 will divide 18 to give us 9. We now have 2 over 9. Answer C. 0.24 to base 8 is equals to 2 times 8 raised to power 1 plus 4 times 8 raised to power 2. This equals to 2 times anything raised to power minus is 1 over 8 raised to power 1 plus 4 times anything raised to power minus is 1 over 8 raised to power 2, which is 64. Then 2 can cancel 8 to give us 1 over 4, plus 4 can cancel 64 to give us 1 over 16. The LCM of 4 and 16 is 16. 16 divided by 4 divided by 16 is 4. 4 times 1 is 4, plus 16 divided by 16 is 1. 1 times 1 is 1. Therefore, we now have our answer to be 5 over 16. Question 14.